Hello and welcome. In this video, I create Teleport server which works as a jump host between my home lab and home network. Check that you have the following before you start installing Teleport. DNS services for Let's Encrypt certificate. You could also use your own certificate or self-signed one. Let's start deploying Teleport by changing the hostname to match my DNS record. Then reboot server, that name will change. Start Teleport installation by adding Teleport repo to Ubuntu. Then install Teleport package with apt. Then select which kind of certificate you use on Teleport service. If you use a self-signed certificate, client also needs to trust that certificate. I use the Let's Encrypt certificate to avoid certificate issues between client and server. For self-signed, I have also added a command to create the certificate and create Teleport configuration file. Cluster name can be anything and public address can be internally named like homelab.local. Teleport configuration can change via configure file. All configure are in same file like node name. You can check configure is correct with test. Then enable Teleport service and start it. Check that Teleport service start without issues. Last, create first user via CMD. This user is called admin user. It has admin permissions and this user can log into clients with root user or DA user. Then open browser or send credential to user. Then user set own password. And scan two-factor code to your device. So what can Teleport do? Teleport can be a proxy between Linux, Mac, and Windows hosts and also a proxy to applications, etc. So now you can manage user via web GUI. Windows clients must configure separately because those required changes on GPO and RDP settings. But let's install the client on a Linux host, add the server and automatically generate a proper installation script for the client to connect Teleport. On the client, run this one-line command to deploy Teleport on the client. Let's try to log in on this host via Teleport. You can select which user to connect on client. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.